Welcome back, guys. So today I am going to share with you how I trade and make money as a trader, right? And as you know, right, I am not a full-time trader. I have my day job. I got a lot of other things to do, and I just don't have the luxury of time to really sit down at the computer screen, spend long hours, and try to do trading, right? That's not my style, but you know making money from trading is absolutely possible, right? Even with very, very little time. Right? And last month, I had hit my personal record, right? $30,000 in 1 month. So if you like to learn more about trading, if you like to learn more about the strategies, the money management, the wealth growth and everything, right? Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to post regular videos on how do you deal with all your money. Right, so what's my daily routine for trading? So as you know, I am a swing trader, right? So swing trader meaning that my trades, right, usually does not last more than a month, right? Usually it lasts a few days, right? Maximum probably a few weeks. And one good thing about being a swing trader is that I don't have to spend a lot of time, right, trying to do trading. Right? I have a lot more freedom. I have a lot more flexibility in terms of how I want to spend my time on trading, and I am able to plan my trades any time of the day, right, before the market opens. So anytime before the market opens, I can definitely do all my planning, all my trades and everything, right? So most of the time, I can do everything within like 30 minutes or less. So usually I do this either very early in the morning, right, before I actually start work, right, or I do it at lunchtime or dinner time, right, just before the market opens in Singapore time, right? Because Singapore time the US market only opens at night, right, 9 p.m., 10 p.m. So I basically trade with a few strategies, right? A few trading strategies such as the four strike candlestick patterns, the moving averages, bounce, capitulation and stuff like that, right? So those are all the swing trading strategies. So I have screeners, right? I have coded down all the screeners to help me to quickly filter out all these stocks that fulfills my strategies conditions. So I do everything on TC2000, which is a subscription-based software, or if not, the Think or Swim platform will be my preferred choice as well, right? So here's my 30-minute routine. So I will basically look at the overall market sentiment first, right? For that day itself, I will look at the market sentiment. So my first chart will be the S&P 500, right? SPX, then you will see the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, and I will then look at the daily charts of those indexes, right? And also look at the 2-day charts, the weekly charts as well. So what I want to know is to know whether the market is bullish or bearish, right? Because I want to trade with the current sentiment. I want to ride the momentum, right? So if the market is bullish, I will want to take a lot more long trades, right? If the market is bearish, then I will do more short trades. So that is the first initial idea, right? It's the feeling that I want to have. Right, so once I have a good sense about the market, right, where is it heading to, right, whether it's uptrend, downtrend, I will then do my screens, right? I will then use all the screeners that I have built in TC2000 or in Think or Swim, and then you will run the screeners, right? And the screener will show you a bunch of results. And screeners don't exactly show you the best, the high quality kind of entry, right? You have to do some manual study. You have to be a little bit more discretionary to actually find the good ones. And usually, in a typical day, I will find around like probably 6 to 8 good candidates to trade, right? But I will definitely narrow down to 1 or 2 entries. So generally in a month, usually I will do around 20 to 30 trades, right? So once I have my trades of the day, right, I know exactly what kind of stock I want to trade. I will then do my position sizing, right? I will use my calculator or my Google Sheet. I do all the calculations, know exactly how many units I need to buy, and then I will enter all my entry orders, my exit orders into my trade journal, right? So that I know exactly, where are my stop losses, where are my target profits, and then everything gets keyed into the platform, right? Which is Interactive Brokers, right? I like using their mobile app. Right? It's so easy to key in everything, and it's so simple and fast, right? So that's where I will key in all my entry and all my exit orders as well, right? So I know exactly where I can get in, and where I will get out, right? So it's kind of like a fire and forget, right? So once you set everything, that's it, right? You don't really need to care, right? It's all with a predetermined stop loss and profit taker. So I don't have to monitor the trade anymore, right? Because you will either, exit either with a controlled loss or whether it's an expected profit. So it's either a win or a loss, right? And this actually removes the emotional part of trading, which is very, very important. So never let emotions to drive your trading decision. So I prefer to set everything up, right? All my entries and exits all together, right? And that's it, right? And that's it, right? It's all within 30 minutes. And of course, when I started out, I definitely take a lot more longer because you are not familiar with the tools, the strategies, right? But once you get a hang of it, right, you can do it very fast, right? So if you like me to share my exact trading strategy, right, you can definitely comment below. I can do a video on that particular trading strategy. So with just 30 minutes a day, as you can see, as a swing trader, right, you can easily make 10%, 20%, 30% a month. And of course, there are bad months as well, but when you average out, it's still a pretty good strategy, right? So it's a very good way to make a side income, right? All you need is a proven working strategy, and there are tons of them you can find and you can learn, right? And definitely you need a good trading mindset, right? No emotions, right? Never read the news, and you trade according to the price action and the trading setups. And also you need the discipline to learn and trade every day, right? If you don't trade every day, then you are not actually learning. So it sounds easy, but really it's not so easy. Right? So if you want to learn more on any of these topics, right, you can always comment below. I can make more videos to answer all these questions in the future. So until next time, I will see you soon.